today, it's a Saturday, it's September 14. Dayon ugmawi, it's September 15. Dayon, unsa may naugma?
My birthday.
Oh, birthday din ni Mugma. Pila naman imong edad ugma?
4.
Ay, 4 na ka? Wow, big girl na day ka. Dako na jud ka no? 4 years old na gud ka. Bi, count sa imong hand, Bi. 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, tanaw sa ipakita nila sa video pila ka buhok na ang 4. Sure jud ka 4 na?
Yes.
Oh, very good. 4 fingers. That means that's 4. Then, unsa man imong ganahan nga okay, para makakita sa mama unsa man imong ganahan nga gift sa imong birthday mo.
I want
Unsa man imong ganahan nga gift. Bisag unsa lang imong ma-think. Unsa man nga present imong ganahan imong gusto.
I want a heart ring.
Unsa? Kus kay matingog.
I want a heart ring.
A heart ring? Unsa pa siya?
I want a different color car keys.
Car keys? Ganun sa car keys? Nanasad kay mo nga car keys?
Yes.
Wow.
Just a toy one.
Ah,
Then
toy
I
na car
want
keys.
a different color phone.
Ganun kag toy phone?
And a different color water bottle.
Water bottle?
And I
Or
want,
water cup? Or water bottle?
I want a different color water bottle.
Oh.
And I want a different color lipstick.
Lipstick sad? Wow. Pero toy ra na nga lipstick or katong tinuod nga lipstick?
Toy.
Toy lipstick. Oh.
And I want what's a thing?
Okay, that's okay. So tila niya ko niya kung unsa imong mauna-unaan lain, okay?
I also know that Eva had another makeup, which I'm going to pick it, but this time the same color.
Oh, ganahan ka tong present nga imong gihatag ni Ava. Kaya dito mo ka sa birthday party ni Ava, no? Ganihan, no? So, ganahan day ka to nga present. Ito yung gihatag ni Ava, ganahan sa kaginato.
Yes, actually I don't want to hurt me. I want so
Nag-mention si Mama og crown, ganahan gano kag crown, ganahan ni kag crown.
because Eva has.
Unsa man nga color kang Ava?
She has gold, which is sparkly. She has a big crown, which is actually it fits on your nipple.
Oh, pila di ka crowns kang Ava?
I think she told me that she had 3 crowns.
3 crowns? Ano sa iyang crowns? Wow, naganahan ka na kay crown. Nya malipay ka kung na kay crown. Nya 4 years old na ka niya, mag-birthday ka kung na kay crown, ganahan ka.
I will also show she has a brush.
Okay, i-pray na tonight nga na kay present nga na tomorrow, okay? Ganahan ka mag-pray na
She
tonight.
also has a bow on it.
Let's see, hopefully you will makakuha ka ng present tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Unya, the best thing nga imong buhaton tonight, okay? Mag-ampo ka na ana nga present tomorrow, okay? Okay?
Okay.
So ready na ka niya nga mag-ampo para matagaan kag present?
I already lost my heart ring. I was looking for it.
Okay. Sige, bye-bye na lang.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye! Yay! Among birthday girl tomorrow. Yay! Love you, Wiwi. Mata na among birthday girl.
Happy birthday to you.
Yay.
Happy birthday to you.
Ayaw sa iya.
Happy birthday, dear Stella. Happy birthday
To you.
Sige, kuya.
Surprise!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Wow!
Wow.
Happy ka?
These are all cheesecake. There's even strawberry cheesecake. Strawberry. You like
Happy
strawberry,
ka?
right?
Hoy, happy ka sa imong presents. Dili pa jud na present lang. Presents. Pag yun dagang pa jud di ay agoy. Agoy.
Wow! Sige, go!
Stella, you can open one.
Which one man imong ganani kuha first day?
Stella.
Mama, di ba mag-pretend blow pa na siya, mama?
I pretend blow pa di ay.
Pretend blow pa ganina si Wiwi.
3, 2, 1. Blow.
Ah. Are you one? Are you two? Are you three? Are you four? Ah.
Yung go, Okay.
Open it. Open.
Ay, mo gid yung favorite.
Na ako'y nakitaan sa babaw dito dapit mo. Ganahan kay Kato ba? Ano sa itong nasa babaw? Hala! Hala! Nanay crown! Nanay crown agoy.
Put the crown on and then you can.
Oh, do you like your crown? Is it beautiful? Wow!
Yeah.
Stella, no, open.
Matagag tarong nagbutang mama.
No, Mama, I know how to.
Tabangi si Stella. O tabangi kuya. Thank you kuya.
So,
Our very responsible
it's supposed
na
to go
kuya.
in her hair. Like that.
Wow.
Ah. Thank you ya.
Can you open this?
Sure.
Oh, sige. I-open. Ablihi, ablihi.
Wait. Now try. From there. Oh, wait, you got a
Conceal
water
it.
bottle. Got a water bottle. Oh, you got this? Oh, see to cut these all open. Heart glasses.
Heart glasses
Mama, she got
again.
another pair of heart glasses. Oh my god. Comb. Oh, wallet. These are all grown-up things, Mama.
Kuya, siya pakuha na kuya.
And where are your car keys? You have money. You have a phone, right? Where are your car keys, though? This one. Oh, yeah. Let's open them up. I'm gonna get the scissors.
Wow. Shh. Huy, nalipay ka sa imong present.
Scissors! Wooden scissors!
Kabangan kang kuya.
Papa, I've got a special day for Stella today.
Then, nakakita ka sa imong dresses?
Oh,
Do you like it?
wait a
O gana,
second.
o mo?
Wait a second. Oh.
Alam mo, lingkod pa tayo na siya diha, love. Kaya ako siyang kuha na, no?
Picturean? Ah, sige, sige.
Picturean di ay. Sige.
Wow.
Wi, lingkod sa dinawi. Kay picturean kang mama, wi.
Set up.
Picturean ti ka. Ako picture ni mo,
I
okay?
will turn this off.
Okay, wait sa kuya. Happy birthday, Wiwi. We love you so much,
We
Wiwi.
love you, Stella.
Nalipay ka sa imong mga
Stella,
presents.
try putting on this.
Kuya, wait sa iyan ako ipangutanan ni Wiwi. Wiwi, nalipay ka sa imong presents.
Yes.
Ay, smile sa 4 years old, Bi. Kay 4 years old na raba ka.
Oh, Stella! I managed. Stella!
Oh,
Okay.
yeah. Thank you, Kuya.
Thank you, yeah.
What is this?
That's
What is this?
makeup. Powder.
I'm trying to. I want to see what's inside. I want to.
Kani
It's
kani.
meant to open. Oh.
It's a powder and kani siya ang kuan.
Okay.
Siya.
So Nina.
Asama tayo yung car keys, Wi.
Sponge.
Yung car key.
Inside here.
Oh.
Stella,
Ang
Stella,
kwarta
try-
nimo, ang
try-
money nimo
try-
isud sa wallet.
Try using this. Try it.
Butang ra na dinaya.
Stella, try. Try using this. So what you're trying to do is just hold on this and then tap and then put on your
Bolgi ka na.
that.
Wow! Asa mo ito yung mong lipstick ug makeup? Yung mong cellphone, wala sud sa bag.
Mama, you need. Mama, I think you're.
Pink phone.
Mama, I think. Did you put the battery in there?
Murag wala pa naki-check na nato.
Stella, you need the battery. Mama needs the battery. And they closed it up with a sponge in here. Okay.